So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are deep diving into the ground reality of future trading. If you are ever been curious about how futures tradings really work beyond the hype, you are in the right place. You are stripping away in the fluff and talking about the what you really need to know before the jumping in. So, all right, let's start with the basics of future trading. So, future trading is a way of to buy and sell a asset at a predetermined price at the specified time in the future. So it's used for everything from commodities like gold and oil to insights and even for Bitcoin. The idea is simple. You are really betting on where the price will go up or down. But here is the catch. It's not as a straightforward it sounds, but future trading is highly leveraged, which means you can control a large position with a relatively small amount of money. Sounds great, right? But it also means your losses once take up just as fast, sometimes faster than you react. So now let's start a real. Future trading is often sold as a quick way to make money. But the truth is, it's a zero sum game. For every winner, there is a loser, and the big instruction often have a upper hand. They have a better idea, faster execution. Big institutions often faster execution times and entire team dedicated to analyze the markets. There are hidden costs like margin sales, overnight fees, slippage that can drain your profits before you can even realize it. And let's not forget about emotion control. The speed of future markets can make even a seasoned trader switch, right? If you still want to jump in, that's great, but you need a plan. Successful future traders prioritize risk management above all else. That means setting up losses, understanding your risk to reward ration, and never risking more than you can afford to lose, right? So, some popular strategies include scalping, day trading, swing trading, right? That you already know about it. So future trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a high risk, high reward market that demands skill, patience, solid strategy. If you are willing up to put in the time to learn and understand the risk, it can be incredibly rewarding, but it's not for everyone, right? If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Insights. Thank you so